Hello everyone. Today's video will keep you on the edge of your seat as we watch shocking and unexpected accidents, from horrific crashes to moments of chaos. Join us as we see just how dangerous and fragile life on the road can be. Drive safe to all of us. This car was dumped with cement by a cement mixer truck because it was about to hit it. Shocking incident in front of the truck, and then the truck ran over all the cars in front of it. What is this, bro? A car from the road hit a neatly parked car surprisingly, and then the car was neatly parked, while the other car was damaged. Luckily, this man survived. Come on, bro. You almost created a fatal accident for another driver. Is that what you want? When the car speed is high, you may not be able to control it optimally. Then you get a collision. This truck hit the flyover bridge because of the height of the truck. Did the truck driver not notice it? Or was he ignored? What is your response? A car was too close to the truck and was taking a run up to overtake, so the truck tried to avoid it, and what happened was the truck hit the car and the truck swerved. Didn't the driver know that there was road repair in front of his house? It's a shame that this driver fell into the ditch after the automatic gate opened. It seems like this boxcar was chased by the police and ran away, and it hit a car that was stopped at a red light. What do you think happened? A terrible accident happened at night. A pickup truck hit a car parked on the side of the road. You were going too fast, bro. This car hit another car from behind, and both were dragged. But notice the car that hit it flipped over. Seen a car at high speed hit a house. Everything is badly destroyed. Always be careful, bro.
Stupid fucking retard, man.
What is this, bro? Who do you think is at fault for an accident like this? Wow, surprising. A car is floating before our eyes. A pile-up accident occurred because a car was traveling at high speed in a traffic jam. This is an action not to be imitated. Did they intentionally put the car into the truck? What do you think? A car entered a shop and hit two people who were eating, but luckily both of them survived. Did the driver lose control of the car? Did this man intentionally set fire to this car? It looks like he threw something into the car, and suddenly the car exploded and caught fire, but unfortunately the man also caught fire. This motorcyclist got instant karma after he broke the car's rear view mirror. He hit the car in front of him. This truck hit all the cars in front of it. What a terrible accident. Did the truck driver lose control? What is your response? This car was going fast and hit a truck that was passing at the intersection. Horrible accident. Slow down your car, bro. Another terrible accident happened, everything was destroyed. Do you think the driver of the car survived? We got goosebumps seeing an accident like this. The car that was originally intact is now in pieces. Thank you all for watching this video till the end. If you find this content useful, please press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications to get our latest videos as soon as they are released. We strive and promise to bring you more high quality and interesting videos. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.